Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Drooling Dishes. Today's recipe is Vanilla Caramel Pudding. For this we have to prepare caramel. The preparation is, I am saying the recipe, you note it down. Milk 1 cup, corn flour 2 teaspoons, sugar half cup, butter 2 teaspoons. We have to mix all these things together in a pan, heat it, and it will come into a good caramel which we are going to use it here. Now I am going to add the thick caramel into the mold. Fill it half. Now I am going to keep it in freezer for more than 2 hours. Now we are going to prepare vanilla pudding. For this, the ingredients are 1 cup milk, 1 cup cream, powdered sugar, vanilla essence, gelatin, and a pinch of salt. Add 1 cup of fresh milk, gelatin powder 1 spoon, now I am going to add powdered sugar half cup, mix it with the whisk. Now I am steaming the milk. The milk should not get boiled. Mix it well with the whisk so that the gelatin mix well. Now I am adding a spoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Now it is ready. Cool it down for more than 10 minutes. I am taking the caramel pudding after 2 hours. Add vanilla pudding over this. Again I am going to keep in freezer for more than 2 hours. Take this after freezing for overnight. For decoration, I am adding pistas. Now the yummy vanilla caramel pudding is ready to eat. Serve with chilled. Thank you. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.